all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
General Secretary of Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust announced that only stones will be used for the construction of Ram Temple.
Only stones will be used for building the Ram Temple in Ayodhya, and it will stand for over 1,000 years. The country's best minds from IIT Chennai and the Central Building Research Institute are involved in the construction process of the temple.
Rama Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust is assigned with the task of building the temple in Ayodhya. While Larsen & Toubro, IIT Chennai and CRBI are assisting in building the temple, Larsen & Toubro is mainly looking after the construction of the temple, and IIT Chennai is consulted for testing soil strength at the site. At the same time, the trust also urged people to donate copper material as evidence of country's contribution towards building Ram Temple.
Copper strips have the ability to stay safe even during an earthquake. We need 10,000 such strips, at least 18 inches long, 3 millimeters in depth, 30 millimeters wide. We will ask the community to send these strips. Names of their villages, temples or mohallas can be carved on them. This will be evidence of the country's contribution.
According to the General Secretary Champat Rai, the Ram Temple will be built in 36 to 40 months. Earlier, it was claimed that the temple will take around 6 to 12 months to complete. However, now it is stated that the construction of the temple might take 3 years to complete.
We cannot say anything about when the temple will be built. Even then, at least 36 months or 3 years. These 36 months can become 40. At least I cannot say. If someone says an exact time frame, it will be said that he is being hasty and doesn't know enough. The Prime Minister also considers it to be 3 years. He does not believe it is less than that. That much patience we must have.
Adding to it, Champat Rai stated that with the help of stones, the temple will be built in such a manner that it won't decay due to sun, air and water. On the other hand, the Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust has also decided to set up viewing spots for the visitors during the construction of the temple.
We are attempting to put in place spots where when people come and see the temple being constructed, how the machines are operating. Many articles have been found from the earth. In the Prime Minister's words, these are national treasures. In my opinion, more may come out when the earth is dug. We will put all of this at a place people can see and pray.
Interestingly, the trust claims that a shivling of 4 feet and 11 inches in length has been found while digging the site. The Grand Ram Temple, which will be constructed in Ayodhya, will be 161 feet tall, which is 20 feet taller than the original design. The temple will be built in the Nagara style of architecture.